Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're gonna unbox these Hollywood Rides by Jada. It's a Harry Potter 1959 Ford Anglia. It's on 1/24th scale with Harry Potter figure on it. This is for my wife. I bought these on the car show last year and I don't have a chance to unbox it, so we can unbox it tonight. So let's open it. The box for this one is very nice. It has some Harry Potter. It looks like it's the Mordor's map because it has a Forbidden Forest on it and some artwork. I'm gonna open it now. I bought these for $35 plus tax. If you can guys remember, I also have an unboxing of the Nano Hollywood Rides by Jada. The small stuff. I think one is to 87 scale. If you want to watch it, it's on my channel. Just search it there. And it's kind of hard to take it out actually because the box is different. Oh, I see. No. So I need to open the box fully because it is attached to the box. The base is attached to the box and it's kind of different packaging by Jada. I don't want to ruin the box actually because I might put it back because this one will be displayed on my wife Harry Potter collection, and it's not going to be on my display case. Too much tape on this thing. There you go. So let's put the box aside. It's actually pretty nice because it's a Harry Potter figure with a wand. He's holding a wand actually, and the car itself is very detailed, exactly like the one in the movie. So let's remove it. I purchased several cars a couple of weeks, and I have a lot of videos to make to show you guys, so stay tuned to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. Any questions you can ask. I'm gonna try to answer everything if I know the answer. And hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. For those who have subscribed already on my channel, thank you so much and thank you for watching. And please keep watching. There you go. So this is the actual car. Let's remove the strap. It's too much strap for a small car because I think the hood is opening, the doors is opening, and the trunk. Excuse me. I just eat too salty food. That's why my oh nice, yeah. So it's like sky blue. It's exactly the same as the one in the movie. It's a hubcap wheels on it, and the inside is not much detailed as I expected, but it's okay. So the doors is opening. You see there's a dirt, like a weathering accent on it, and it's nice. Let's open the hood. I forgot to wear gloves, but that's okay. The hood, it's hard to open. Anyhow, so the other side is this one. Underneath, just like a plastic thing. And the trunk is opening too, and it says Harry Potter. But I'm gonna search for the actual plate number, and I'm gonna make the real plate number for this one. And let's let me get the ta-da! So let's open the hood. It's actually hard to open. I don't know why. But it should be opening actually. But it's hard to open. Okay, I'm not gonna force it because probably there's only an engine there. I hope there's an engine there because this is a magical car from the, if I remember, from Chamber of Secrets. Yeah. So this is from Chamber of Secrets. Oh no, it's not from Chamber of Secrets. It's from Prisoner. Or whatever. See, I'm a Harry Potter fan too, but can't remember. Even though I watched the movie several times, I still can't remember. So that's it for the car, guys. This is the Harry Potter 1959 Ford Anglia. So let's take a look about Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Say a magic word. Yeah. See, but he's not like he's not like Harry Potter. Besides, you can see his eyeglasses. Then you'll know it's Harry Potter. It looks like a Ron Weasley to me. No. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for more unboxing and reviews. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.